and today I'll be doing some maintenance on the Vespa LX150. Since I have the exhaust off already because of the tire, I'll be changing the oil. Changing your oil frequently is cheap insurance. When it comes to oil, you have to make sure you use a 5W40 full synthetic 4T oil. I'm going to use a 24mm socket to remove the drain plug. The drainage plug on the oil has a rubber O-ring that you have to make sure you find and replace with a new O-ring before you fill the oil in. To make the oil flow freely, I'm now going to go loosen the dipstick. As you can see, the rubber O-ring is still stuck on the scooter. I'm going to remove it and then inspect the oil screen after I pull it out. When inspecting the screen, you need to make sure that the screen is not damaged and that inside there are no metal parts that can indicate engine damage. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the oil filter. The oil filter has a black rubber gasket. You need to make sure that the oil filter came off with the gasket. The new oil filter will have a new gasket. Notice that I'm reinstalling the screen before I put the oil in. Now I'll reinstall the drain plug. Notice I already put the O-ring flush against the drain plug. Since the drain plug is brass, we can't tighten it too much. We have to just make sure it's snug because it will strip easily. Before you install the new filter, you need to pre-lube the gasket. You never want to use a wrench when installing a new filter. You always want to just install it hand tight. Now I'm going to start pouring the oil into the funnel very slowly. The LX150 takes a full liter of oil, so I'll be pouring this whole bottle.